Hi, I'm Steve, and this is Single Step English. Welcome to this video on how to succeed in a call center job. Call center jobs can be challenging and fast-paced, but with the right skills and mindset, anyone can excel in this role. In this video, we will be discussing tips and strategies for succeeding in a call center job. First, let's talk about communication skills. Communication is one of the most important skills for any call center agent to have. To be effective, call center agents need to be able to listen actively, empathize with customers, and handle conflict in a calm and professional manner. Additionally, call center agents should always speak clearly and use simple, easy to understand language. I have made many role play videos. You can find the playlist here. Another key aspect of succeeding in a call center job is being able to handle difficult customers. Every call center agent will encounter difficult customers at some point in their career, and maybe even every day. It's important to be able to handle these situations in a calm and professional manner. You need to mentally prepare for this. When I worked as a call center agent, every shift had at least one caller that was angry or liked to yell at us. To help prepare for this scenario, call center agents should practice active listening, empathy, and conflict resolution. Personally, I think empathy is one of the most important skills we can use as human beings. It requires us to understand and share feelings of other people. If you can convey empathy to your customers over the telephone, I really believe your job will become much, much easier. If you sound positive and upbeat on the phone, I also think this helps relax the person on the other end of the line. Let's face it, the caller wants to know that you understand their situation and will be able to help them. It's important to remain calm and not take any negative comments or complaints personally. Have you ever heard the expression, "Don't take your job home"? It means you should leave anything negative about your job at work and don't let it become part of your personal life. You can't let some angry callers ruin your day. It is better to focus on helping people that appreciate your kindness. To me, that was the joy of working as a call center agent. When I finished work, I knew that I helped customers by answering their questions or solving their problems. I made their lives easier, and that put a smile on my face. Time management is also crucial for success in a call center job. Call center agents are often under pressure to handle a high volume of calls in a short amount of time. To manage time effectively, it's important to prioritize tasks, set goals, and use tools like a calendar or to-do list to stay organized. Call center agents should be efficient with their time, focusing on the most important tasks first. I always kept a small notebook on my desk, which I used to prioritize tasks during my call shift. This really helped me stay on task and made sure I did not miss anything important. Another thing you can try is to color code your notebook. I used a yellow highlighter for things that are important and a red pen for anything that was urgent. This helped me find specific items really fast, and it made sure I did not miss anything. Another important skill for a call center agent is being able to multitask effectively. Call center agents are often required to handle multiple calls at once, or to handle a call while also typing or looking up information. To be effective at multitasking, call center agents should be able to switch between tasks quickly and efficiently. If you find multitasking stressful, take a short break and leave your workstation. You may want to try a few minutes of quiet meditation to help clear your mind. In addition to these skills, it is also important to be punctual, have a positive attitude, and have a good work ethic. This can help in building a good rapport with your team and management. You don't want to be known as the person who is always late to work. In fact, you should arrive 10 to 15 minutes early for your shift. Doing so will impress your boss and help put you in good standing in the company. If one of your coworkers is having trouble, you can ask them, "Is there anything I can do to help you?" This type of teamwork will build rapport with your fellow coworkers, and people will enjoy working with you. In conclusion, a call center job can be challenging, but with the right skills and mindset, I believe anyone can succeed in this job. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time.